G'day, welcome back. So I was looking for a dash cam, and whilst I was looking for a dash cam, this company VanTop said they wanted to send me a dash cam. So I thought, well, for the sake of a video, good to see what's new in dash cams. We've got this one. This is the VanTop Discovery H610, which is I'll give you the spec shortly, but it's a 2.5K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. And let's have a look at it. Dashcam specs. Here it is installed. See, it's pretty nice setup. If your car suits this, if you've only got a small windscreen, it's good just to have a wee clip-on one. Makes it less obvious to someone coming past. You don't have this big expensive piece of technology they can steal. So yeah, relatively discreet. Yeah, happy with that. Let's pair it up. So when you pair it up, it powers up. It gives you both cameras for a little while. Don't know why you'll see that. Obviously the front camera, rear camera, and that stays on for 30 seconds or so, then turns off. The front camera's over here. That's weird, eh? It's not, my fingers are going in the screen. It's like one of those special tricks. And then they'll turn off. So yeah, that's the front camera. Let's go around and see the rear. So rear camera, where is it? Just there, eh? Pretty discreet, nice and small. How well can you see that? Not very, probably. Let's open the boot. So there it is. Quite a neat install on this car. Alright, I haven't actually wired in the reversing camera side of it, wasn't that bothered. So you can tie this into the reverse lights so that it gives you the reversing camera setup on the screen, turns the screen on, does that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Quite happy with that. And from the outside, all you see is a dirty windscreen. Yeah, so it's much more discreet than having a separate unit. So that's the bonus. Right, so important to me in a dash cam is that, one, it works all the time. I've had problems in the past where they crap out and you go to look at the footage and it's not there. So most important thing is this camera works all the time, and I had it 6 months or so, works perfectly all the time, never had a problem. So that's good. Second important thing, I guess, is how discreet it is. We've had a look at that. It's pretty discreet. Happy with that. Third thing is quality. We'll show you a few clips of daytime, nighttime, front and rear, and you can make your own mind up. Remember, YouTube changes quality of stuff, so I'll give you a bit of a review after each clip of what I think, and we'll go from there. There's lots of people. They're all driving in their car. We don't need to. We're going faster enough. Yeah, but we're going to get it to have at home, aren't we? This is where we're getting the ice cream from. Yes, the front camera, 2.5K during good daylight. It's okay. I was kind of expecting a wee bit more for 2.5K. Look, the footage looks a wee bit grainy, a wee bit noisy. But yeah, that's what it is. Perfectly good. Nice wide angle, 170 degree. So it's not bad. Nighttime, yeah, it struggles a wee bit. Again, expecting a wee bit more. Rear camera, I guess having this rear camera is better than not having a rear camera. During the day it's okay. There we are, nighttime footage, pretty average. Yeah, not much use to that really at all, but at least you've got it, I suppose, to tie in with your average front nighttime footage. But yeah, definitely a daytime only camera setup. As I've said, I've had this camera for about 6 months. It's been totally reliable, which is, for me, the #1 thing for dash cams. It's nice and discreet. Again, quite handy. It doesn't take up too much space. I've left it running for days on end, and it hasn't drained the battery. Probably 4 or 5 days, and the car starts right up when I've forgotten to unplug it, because I've still got it on the old cigarette lighter. I haven't hardwired it yet. Yeah, the only downside is the footage is less than perfect, but it's usable. It's just not great. For the price, it's probably a pretty reasonable package, $109 US. You get dual front rear cameras, you get a reversing camera in there. So yeah, it's not bad value. Quality could be better in terms of footage, but build quality of the device itself is top notch. It's well made, it looks good, it's reliable, just the footage is not as clear as it could be. So there we go. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for another video soon.